students are going to discuss about the DT based discussion on gas sensor. Okay, start your discussion.
So, okay, good morning to all. So, I am here to discuss about the DT concept. So, anyone can say what is DT? Design thinking. Yes, it is a problem solving approach where a problem is solved in 5 steps. So, anyone can say what are the 5 steps? Empathy, define, ideate, prototyping, and testing. So, okay, in empathy part, the customer's perspective where they are facing the problem, we are going to see, and in define part, finding a major problem in it, and we are going to give a solution. And in ideate part, using our hardware and software description, we are going to give an idea. So implementing an idea in a prototype model, and to test it, we are giving it to the customer side and getting feedback from them. It is a next evolve course. That is minimize role on design thinking. So empathy is nothing but the customer's fault where they are getting affected in the major cities places. So in we are going to discuss about the major sensor were used in many industries like gas sensor. So the empathy part will be explained by
empathy part. In industrials, they are using chemical containers. They are very harmful for the humans. And in households, they are using gas. We cannot. Their leakages are not visible, so it caused many accidents. And it also from factories, the gas leakage and many etc.
To make it easier, we are going with this process. So that is gas sensor. So the defined part.
Gas sensors and pressure sensors are used mainly in these industrial also, and it is smoke sensors also used. Gas sensors used to detect the gas leakages in industry and mainly homes also, LPG gases also it can be detected. And smoke sensors are also used to detect where the smoke begins, like forest fires also it may be used. If the starting of the smoke will be sensed, so we can reduce the higher smoke and
So well said. The defined part is clear about to reduce the danger level about the customers. So the ideate part.
Okay, coming to the ideate part, why we are using these two sensors, gas sensors and the smoke sensors to these problems? Because in nowadays the more home appliances like houses are leakages of LPG gases or some other gases in houses are more and create some disasters and dangerous situations. And also leakages are happening in the some industries areas also. It also creates some disasters. So it are the problems. We can solve this problem using these two sensors, like smoke sensors and gas sensors. Gas in nowadays in foreigners are using gas sensors in their kitchens to avoid some leakages of gas and do not get the any problems in their kitchens. Like that, we can also implement these ideas into our Indian people to
reduce the human risk
life. And how it work means if we set the gas sensors in our kitchens, it's if any leakages in the LPG gases or using other gases, it sends the gases and signal to the microcontroller, and it signal to the some we can alert the people having in the houses or some places to the buzzer in the alarm system. Using alarm system, we can alert the peoples, and then we can also using the smoke sensor to detect the some harmful gases, methanes or some other gases which are very dangerous to the human to breathe or in the environment gases. So we can use these two sensors to detect these some harmful gases or in home appliances.
Well said. Ideate part is clearly explained by him. So the prototype part will be feedback.
Who is your prototype?
And the next topic is prototype. We are using a gas sensor in many applications. And first of all, the gas sensor, we give an input of a gas sensor, some threshold frequency. We give an LPG gas, it input of a gas sensor. Which input we will give, it will identify only the sensors. Let's say the gases. Anybody know about S and O2?
Yes,
It's
it-
inoxide, very dangerous to humans, very harmful to other.
Yeah, it's very nice there. It are used in many other places. Only we are using many places with many problems or come around the methane gas. Methane gas with human it has very dangerous gas to inhale it. And it gas sensor is very useful for kitchen application, smart home applications, and industrial applications. It have play vital role. It are playing in the industrial manufacturing. Both the LPG and oxygen are using into many industrial areas. So both they are using gas sensor and for smoke sensor.
Okay. Anybody told about the testing part?
Yeah, now coming to testing part, they are said about many sensors, but actually the smoke sensor and gas sensor used to detect the fire alarms in many companies, fire, past fires, etc. But the chlorofluorocarbon, anybody know about chlorofluorocarbon? Where it is used? Okay, right. It is used in refrigerators. It is more harmful for humans. Then moving to MOM, metal oxide semiconductor. It is also very harmful for humans. Then the saltering gas. When we are saltering, the gas evaporated from saltering, it affects lungs of humans.
Anybody told about some real world applications?
So according to real world applications, there are many real world applications. For example, it was done in World War II. Scientists from Germany who have helped the German country to win the war by using of chlorine gas. By using the chlorine gas, they died many of members. Around 3,000 people died. So for this, we can use the smoke sensors. And in India, does anyone know about the Bhopal tragedy? Fine, a Bhopal tragedy is a gas leakage which was a one night stand, wipe out the world all over the village by a single night. So by chlorofluorocarbon, which was done in Tamil Nadu recent days, while family members were sleeping in night, the chlorofluorocarbon was leakage and the whole family was died in that night. So it was very useful for detecting these harmful gases and many other tragedies to stop the tragedy.
So anyone can conclude this.
Conclusion, we have seen about the 5 stages and the gas sensor. It is used in very vast sector, very in gases and industrial purposes, which we use in our daily use, like chlorofluorocarbon in a refrigerator. We have all refrigerators in our home. So we should be careful when we dealing with the gases and the smoke sensor, etc. So we will be implementing the gas and smoke sensor.
Thank you.